I help my mom. I help my mom. She helps her sister. She helps her sister. Can you help me? Can you help me? He helped her yesterday. He helped her yesterday. I eat rice. I eat rice. She eats slowly. She eats slowly. They eat together. They eat together. I go to school. I go to school. He goes to work. He goes to work. She went home. She went home. I play football. I play football. She plays the piano. She plays the piano. They play every day. They play every day. He runs fast. He runs fast. I run every morning. I run every morning. She ran home. She ran home. I read books. I read books. She reads quietly. She reads quietly. He is reading now. He is reading now. I write daily. I write daily. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. He writes well. He writes well. I speak English. I speak English. She speaks clearly. She speaks clearly. I walk to school. I walk to school. She walks alone. She walks alone. They walk together. They walk together. I clean the room. I clean the room. She cleaned the kitchen. She cleaned the kitchen. I sleep at 10. I sleep at 10. He is sleeping now. He is sleeping now. Sit here. Sit here. She sat beside me. She sat beside me. We sit together. We sit together. I call my friend. I call my friend. She called me yesterday. She called me yesterday. He calls his mom daily. He calls his mom daily. I drink water. I drink water. She drinks tea. She drinks tea. I open the window. I open the window. She opened the door. She opened the door. Please open your book. Please open your book. I close the door. I close the door. She closed the window. She closed the window. He closes the box. He closes the box. I buy fruits. I buy fruits. She buys clothes. She buys clothes. She brought a phone. She brought a phone. I see a bird. I see a bird. She sees something. She sees something. I smile at her. I smile at her. She smiled back. She smiled back. I laugh a lot. I laugh a lot. He laughed loudly. He laughed loudly. I teach English. I teach English. She teaches online. She teaches online. She taught me math. She taught me math. I learn every day. I learn every day. She learns fast. She learns fast. We learn together. We learn together. I wait outside. I wait outside. She's waiting now. She's waiting now. I stay at home. I stay at home. He stayed late. He stayed late. I listen to music. I listen to music. She listens carefully. She listens carefully. He's listening now. He's listening now. I watch TV. I watch TV. She watches cartoons. She watches cartoons. We watch movies. We watch movies. I dance well. I dance well. She dances daily. She dances daily. They danced at the party. They danced at the party. I sing softly. I sing softly. He sings in a band. He sings in a band. I draw animals. I draw animals. She draws flowers. She draws flowers. They build houses. They build houses. He built a wall. He built a wall. I throw the ball. I throw the ball. She threw it back. She threw it back. I catch the ball. I catch the ball. He caught it fast. He caught it fast. I love my dog. I love my dog. She loves music. She loves music. They love to travel. They love to travel. I hate noise. I hate noise. He hates waiting. He hates waiting. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. She rides daily. She rides daily. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. She cooks well. She cooks well. He cooked rice. He cooked rice. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. She washed the dishes. She washed the dishes. He washes his car. He washes his car. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. She combs it daily. She combs it daily. I wear jeans. I wear jeans. She wears a red dress. She wears a red dress. He wore a jacket. He wore a jacket. I cry sometimes. I cry sometimes. She cried last night. She cried last night. I shout loudly. I shout loudly. He shouted for help. He shouted for help. I jump high. I jump high. She jumps for fun. She jumps for fun. He jumped over the wall. He jumped over the wall. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. They talked yesterday. They talked yesterday. I bring snacks. I bring snacks. She brings her bag. She brings her bag. He brought gifts. He brought gifts. I carry a box. I carry a box. She carried the baby. She carried the baby. I fix my bike. I fix my bike. He fixed the chair. He fixed the chair. I forget things. I forget things. He forgot her bag. He forgot her bag. Did you forget? Did you forget? I remember his name. I remember his name. She remembers everything. She remembers everything. I win the game. I win the game. He won the prize. He won the prize. I lose my keys. I lose my keys. She lost her phone. She lost her phone. I send emails. I send emails. She sends messages. She sends messages. He sent money. He sent money. I draw with pencils. I draw with pencils. She draws animals. She draws animals. I fall sometimes. I fall sometimes. She fell down. She fell down. I stand here. I stand here. He stands in line. He stands in line. I cut paper. I cut paper. She cuts vegetables. She cuts vegetables. I grow flowers. I grow flowers. He grows fast. He grows fast. They grow vegetables. They grow vegetables. I show my work. I show my work. She shows pictures. She shows pictures. He showed his project. He showed his project. I give you a gift. I give you a gift. She gives advice. She gives advice. He give me money. He give me money. I take a break. I take a break. She takes her phone. She takes her phone. He took my pen. He took my pen.